Morning students. Last class we completed water pollution and soil pollution. Today we are going to study about noise pollution, chemical and nuclear pollution. Let us move on noise pollution. Let us see what is noise pollution, how is it harmful for human beings. Creating unpleasant sounds above the bearable limits is noise pollution. The excessive noise pollution is also a potential threat not only to the peace and tranquility of our mind but also for our health. It can lead to hearing troubles, blood pressure, cardiovascular disease, anxiety, and many other stress related diseases for human beings. What are the immediate steps have to be taken to minimize the noise pollution as much as we can? We must not play music very loudly. We should not encourage blaring loudspeakers in public functions and celebrations. We should try to discourage burning of loud firecrackers on festivals like Deepavali. It is a major cause of noise and air pollution and fire related accidents. Banning loud firecrackers can even lead to permanent hearing loss. We must discourage the use of excessive honking of horns while driving. Some people use pressure horns in vehicles for fun. This is not only illegal but also a reason for trouble to others. Let us move on. Chemical and nuclear pollution. Here, first you need to understand what is nuclear pollution. One of the most important and dangerous type of pollution is nuclear pollution. Nuclear pollution is produced by nuclear explosion which are carried out for performing nuclear tests, produced by generation of energy by nuclear fusion. What are the causes of nuclear pollution? Nuclear weapon testing, one. Second one, nuclear power plants. Third, improper disposal of spent nuclear fuel. Fourth one, damage to nuclear power plants. Let us see what are the steps to curb nuclear pollution. What are the steps to curb nuclear pollution? Strict steps should be taken to stop leakage of radioactive waste from nuclear reactors, industries, and laboratories. Here, what is radioactive waste? Radioactive waste is a type of waste that contains radioactive material. Radioactive waste is a byproduct of various nuclear technology processes. Industries generating radioactive waste include nuclear medicine, nuclear research, nuclear power, manufacturing, construction, coal and rare earth mining, and nuclear weapons processing. Second one, strict measures should be taken for the safe disposal of nuclear waste. Third one, total ban on all kinds of nuclear tests should be enforced and observed strictly by all countries. Let us move on waste management. It is important today that we take sincere initiative to contribute towards curbing pollution. Waste can be classified as biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste for the purpose of recycling. What is biodegradable? Biodegradable waste is the waste that can be broken down by bacteria into very small particles and become part of the soil again. For example, kitchen waste, vegetable peels, food and paper are all are biodegradable. What is non-biodegradable waste? Non-biodegradable waste cannot be broken down. It remains as it is for hundreds of years in soil or water and therefore can harm the environment. Plastic and glass are examples of non-biodegradable waste. Here, it is important to understand the 3R theory of waste management. The 3Rs stand for reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce. We must try to reduce the use of non-renewable natural energy resources, especially the fossil fuels, to the minimum. It would help in reducing air pollution. Our resources are too limited to be wasted, so the consumption should be reduced to the optimum limit of requirement. Reuse. We must try to reuse the manufactured products as much as possible because protection of new items would consume more energy and resources, ultimately leading to pollution. For example, the pens we use today are mostly never refilled. Once used, we throw them and buy new ones. But it should be kept in mind that they are made up of plastic, which would cause pollution when burned, and the production of new ones too would cause pollution in manufacturing. Next, recycle. We must try to recycle as much as we can. Most of the recyclable products like paper, plastic, etc. should never be disposed of carelessly. They should be disposed of as recyclable waste. That's all for today class. Hope you all are understood. Thank you.